Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put your scene statistics up on screen so that you can see your vertices count, your polygon count, triangles. So you're going to need these. You need to control the amounts of polygons in your mesh. And also, if you're creating 3D assets for sale, you'll need to be able to report what these are. So this will work in Blender 2.8 and later. So if you go up to your viewport overlays and just click that little drop down, you see here, if you click statistics, you can see the statistics for this scene now in your screen. So you can see how many objects there are. Faces are your polygons. If you don't want that up on the screen, we can just switch that off, and we can display it in the footer by, if you right click in the status bar and just click scene statistics, then it will load that information for your scene. I downloaded this free pack from TurboSquid. Can't remember the name of it, but that's how you can view your scene statistics.